Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a full page photo in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert full page photo. Go to the pages section and enable the master page. Then double click on the master page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. You can insert photo to use this place tool, otherwise the picture frame tool. Now I select the place tool and choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then draw this picture in full page. Then go back again the tools section, select the move tool and rotate the picture to set full page. Increase the size to full page. Then disable the master pages and double click on the main page. Now we can see we insert a picture on full page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.